This video will show you how to replace your front door check on this Ford F-150. This will be located in your front door jamb. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll mention about removing the door check from the door is there won't be anything preventing the door from opening or closing. So you want to make sure that you have that stabilized in some way. We'll start with the hardware that leads to the door. For this, we're using a T27 Torx to remove the mounting bolts. Now we'll move along to the hardware that holds the door check to the body of the vehicle. We're using a 10mm for each of these two mounting nuts. Now we have movement from this area, we're going to have to continue on underneath the driver's side dash. Now from under the dash, we're going to be removing this black panel that you can see along the side. For that, you can typically just take hold of it by hand and pull it up and out of place. Fold that aside. Now we can take hold of that door check. I'm going to give it a wiggle from the outside, reach along into this port, give this a twist, and pull it out of position. There it is, friend. Now we can install our brand new door check. We're going to go from underneath the dash. We'll be sliding this end point out and through the port in the body of the vehicle. As we start bringing this into position, we're feeling along the outside port there. Should be able to start sliding this through. We're going to twist as necessary. Now we'll start bringing this into position, aligning our studs with their corresponding ports out here. Now while holding this, let's continue on with our two mounting nuts. And our two mounting bolts. Now that they're all started in, let's go ahead and snug them up. Now that I have those bottomed out, I'm going to torque them to 80 inch-pounds. After tightening each of those, it's time to make our way back under the dash so we can protect that area with our plastic panel. Line it up, press it in. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Let's just go ahead and close the door and reopen it a couple times here, confirming everything's properly secured. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.